we're here in the PAGGS Airline Lounge right now, and let me do a short walking tour for you. So this is the reception. Diyan po kayo mag-enter to get into the lounge. This is the actual lounge area. So this is where you can do your lounging. And then from there, let's go on to the main event, which is the food. First of all, we have the Coco Crunch right over here. And the cornflakes. And then we also have wheat bread and bread. So those are the things to expect here, plus bread. Then these are the strawberry jams and orange marmalade. From there, let's move on to the bread, the vegetables, and the dressing. And then we also have these ones, cabbage and the mango salsa. This will be used for the nachos. And there's also one chicken. There's the chicken and the beef. Then we have the different types of bread here. Asian breads, cheese pimento bread, and then there's also the pasta here. Strawberry rice. From there, we move on to the dessert, guys. Let's show you the dessert. This is the snacks. And then we have cream with mushroom sauce here. And also the congee. So there's congee and then there's cream with mushroom congee. I want to show you the drinks. Drinks here, iced tea and pineapple and coffee for your morning. Okay, now let's move on to the next slide, guys, because hindi pa tapos. Meron tayong dessert section. So this is the dessert area naman. These are the various dessert, guys. This is the cheese bar. And then the red velvet muffins. And then the coconut cookies. Magic flakes. There's also some water. And then there's the nuts and corn. Okay. So that is it, guys. This is the entire tour of the PAGGS Airline Lounge and what types of food you can see here. Bye-bye! Please make sure to subscribe!
Mali yung nadala niya.